Okay, so this is the Has Studio, the new corner. So I got this piece of furniture, and yes, there's drawers that I can't get to, but I wanted a solid surface so I can put my ink and supplies and this on a solid surface, and that's effectively that. And I have more free space, and I got access to things there. I got a couple of drawers here, but having that there will be handy. I got my other one there with useless stuff, and that's for the cats. And hopefully that's where the cats go. Yeah, so hopefully they won't go in this corner. I'll try to reprogram them as I have to do when I get new stuff. They can feel free to hang out there or even on the end of my desk there. Then I have my other station here for digital stuff, which I'll get into. And I have drawers there with pages and sketches and lists and templates and more pages and more to-do lists or notes and whatnot there. But I can't really put anything heavy on top, which is, I had my scanner on top of that and I couldn't open my drawers if anything heavy on top, so that's why I got that big bad boy. So there you go.